bucket trucks. And in this video, we are going to learn about, yeah, bucket trucks! Woohoo! Woo! Okay, now I'll show you the parts of the bucket truck. Come on! Woo! Look at this! A compartment. Whoa, there's so many cool things in here. Like a tape measure, and, ooh, a flathead screwdriver. So many other cool things in there. Ooh, another compartment. Whoa! Giant snippers! Snip, snip, snip! And, whoa, look at this. Really heavy mallet. That's heavy. Okay, shut that. Ooh, look! A fire extinguisher. Just in case if there's a fire anywhere. Ooh, and some road cones up here. Oh, look down here. Whoa, this is a stabilizer leg. They go down and stabilize the truck while the operator is really high in the sky in the bucket. Okay, let me show you up here. Wow, look at this. This is a go light and it moves, see? Okay, check this out. It's like a spotlight. Watch. Whoa, whoa, whoa. It's kind of like it's a disco light. Come on. Whoa. Look up here. These are the lower controls that operate the boom and the bucket from down below right here. Woo. And spray paint? Wow. I bet that's useful. And whoa. Look at these. Giant bolts. Wow. That's huge. And then we have some more cones and some folded up road signs. There's a lot of them in here. And come back here. Wow. See, this is the bucket. That's where you stand and then you go really high in the sky. That is so cool. Okay, come here. I'll show you inside the bucket van. Come on. Wow, there's other cool things in here. Like, another screwdriver. Okay, here, take a peek. Wow! Whoa, look! I set out some stuff that was inside the bucket van. Okay, we have a pedestrian headlight. It says stop and go, and it counts down right there. Ooh, a socket wrench. And a small adjustable wrench. A medium adjustable wrench. And a giant adjustable wrench! This is called a crow's foot. Wow, it's used for odd-shaped nuts and bolts like that. Whoa, isn't that cool? Look over here. We have a red light, a yellow light, and a green light. Whoa, and speaking of green lights, look, this is the green light button tester. Just like when emergency vehicles, like police cars and fire trucks, when they need to get somewhere really quick, they have a button inside that shoots a light, whoa, into this thing. Ah, it's really bright. And then that turns the lights green. Whoa, okay. Ooh, another road cone. A road sign. And speaking of safety, we have our safety equipment, like my bright orange vest. Whoa. See? So orange. And then, whoa, look at this. This is a harness. This is used so then you wear it while you're up in the bucket. So then if anything ever happens, you're strapped into the bucket. So strap this right here. Okay. And then one around your belly. Perfect. And then two down here. Got it nice and tight. And another down here. Wow. Now I feel really safe. But still, jeez, this is kind of heavy. But I gotta put on my gloves. Bright orange gloves. 1, 2, and last but not least, my hard hat.
Whoa! Here we come! Going really high in the air. You guys see the traffic signal lights? We're just gonna do some maintenance and make sure that they work. Okay, it looks like the lights are in perfect working order. Now, we're gonna head on over here to the black thing over there. And that is a sensor. And it senses the magic green light button. Now that we're at this little black sensor, we just need to clean it and then we need to test it. And this is used for when emergency vehicles push their magic green button to flash lights and then it'll turn green. Watch! Okay, look! That's turning and that's green! So that means it works really good! Whoa! So we're up here looking at this street light. It's an LED street light.
And it wasn't working, but we fixed the wiring.